Alright, so it's about 2 hours later, coming to see how things are going. Oh, whoa, turned itself all the way around. It was just kind of buck wild, kind of doing its own thing, because it moves around so much. Maybe staring at the wall, it won't keep spraying. It just kept turning itself on and on and on. And it sways so much that I think maybe it's when it goes on. Here, let me hold that. See, it's just so. I think what I need to do is turn it off, get rid of this pipe, because it's just, this is, yeah. Gosh, this could be so cool. We can just make it not leak, and if we can make it work. All right, the idea is perfect.